Today we have another great case from Sharkoon on a review. The name of this model is TG4. With a price of around $50, this is one of the cheaper PC case that you can buy on the market, but it's not the cheapest. It is a medium-size ATX PC case that offers enough space for the average user. The positive things are certainly the quality of workmanship in this price range, which is pretty solid compared to the other cases. We got a tempered glass from the front and also from the side of the case, which improves the impression compared to the most other cases in this price range who gets a plastic cover. Another thing is that there is decent amounts of space for the SSD and HDD, which is quite good as well. The worst thing about the Sharkoon TG4 is essentially the cable management. The system itself is very poorly designed and disappointing because it's really hard to organize the cables. The fact that this is the case with transparent sides and everything is visible should have made them work harder on this segment. The airflow itself is mediocre, but since the case is completely open and comes with 4 fans, you should not expect any problems with overheating of components. The best thing about this case is definitely the look. We had the opportunities to see a large number of cases, but TG4s always surprise us with its look. Of course, mostly due to the cool coolers, which have 4 and which light up the whole case, in our case with red color. We got the red version of TG4. In this version it is not possible to change the color, but that is certainly not a bad thing because it simply looks great in combination with glass cover. Based on that, you get the impression that you're looking at a much more expensive case than this case really is. At the end of the story, however, this case brings more advantage than disadvantage, and we recommend it to all fans of attractive appearance and RGB lighting.